Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to accept friend requests in Discord. As you can see here, I am inside the profile section of my Discord account. Simply click the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. So, simply scroll down and you will see the friend requests. Click on this friend request. So make sure that all of these boxes are already checked so we can accept friend requests or receive friend requests from persons or users of Discord. So let's head back in and then click the notification icon in the center section of the screen. After clicking this, we can now see a friend request from a user. So we can either accept it or ignore it. But for this video, we are accepting this friend request. So simply click the accept button and that's it. Go back to our home screen and we can see that DL or the person earlier is now added in our friend list. So that is how to accept friend requests in Discord, and thank you for listening.